Hey coaches, Mark Molinari here with Coach Tactix. Today's focus is going to be on the play wizard, creating plays, using a play, and then flipping the play, making sure that we have our relationships intact, and then using a play as a template to do some window dressing to change either the formation, the motion, whatever it is that you'd like to change. Maybe you're changing an RPO tag, but we're still running the base concept, but we're just modifying a few things. So if we click here on Plays in Script Builder, click Proceed, we get right into our play wizard. We're going to go ahead and click on the play wizard. And again, using our hamburger here, we're going to close this. And right now, if you take a look over here, I'm sitting at about 80%. So maximizing as much space, screen, and real estate as possible. We're going to work on counter today. Remember that when you select in here, we can select the whole box. I can click on each step. Okay. Can also use the next button to proceed the previous steps. Or if you're down at the bottom and you have a bunch of things here, we can click next and previous as well. Okay, so if I'm down here at the bottom, I want to go right back to step 1 here. We're going to get started. And remember, we're going to run counter today. So I'm going to click on run. I'm going to select on the box here. I always like to start on the left hash for my base play. The family is really important. We're going to be on counter. I'm here at the bottom. We're going to click next. As you start to see here, will definitely be this play is going to go into the boundary. So it's going to go left. And it's going to go into the boundary as well. Remember, we need this data for our reports and just to kind of give us an idea when we're playing so we can do a self-scout. I'm going to click right here and go to step 3. We're going to run this out of our base personnel, and we're going to run this with a tight end in the game. So we'll run this out of a 2x2. So dip is the word that we would use, and formation is going to be balanced on this. We're going to go here now. Let's add a motion. Let's get some jet motion going to the field here. So we'll go jet motion right. Our line call is going to be grape. So I'm just going to start to type in here G. And actually, we'll do glide since we're going left. So we'll click on glide there. There's our line call. A lot of people don't use that, but it's there for you if you'd like. And we'll go ahead and do a shift on this. We'll tell everybody to come over. And we're going to run this from the pistol formation. Click on pistol. We're going to get right here to our play name. We're going to type in counter. So it's going to be counter left. Call sheet groups is for those of you that are the rhythm, the rush, the read, or you have different areas where you want to put in your call sheet. This is an area of organization. We'll put this in here for our base play. You don't have to have that. We're going to add a bubble screen here to the field. And then this is the most important area in our play wizard is our situations. We're going to use this in 2025. And what we're doing is we're just adding some tags of this play, not tags of the play, but ways that we can go back and find this. Love this play on 3rd and medium. It doesn't matter if they're in cover 0 or not. We like it versus cover 0. We also like it versus cover 3. Good versus an even front. Okay. And then I'm the coach. I'm going to tag myself on there. We like it as an opener, and we'll use it as a tight front as well. Can't put enough of these situations on here. And this is a way that we'll be filtering our data when we're starting to make our practice scripts and our call sheets. Let's go ahead and let's finalize this play. We can use this. Is this a staple play we're going to use with us every week? Absolutely. We run counter every week. So let's go ahead and say yes on that. And let's add it to the wristband. I know that play 119 is open. So I look there in my sheet. I'm going to add 119 to this 19 and click save play. And it's added on here. So you see that it was building the play up here. We're going to go and run it into the boundary. We've got jet motion to the right here. I'm going to go ahead and flip this play right away. It says, hey, you flipped a play. Great job on flipping. I'm going to go right to finalize. I can add this to 120 if I wanted to. All right. Or you can have some numbering system for you. Let's go ahead and save the play again. We've saved it. And it's now flipped. Notice that it's going right boundary. Everything is going to the right. Love that we're doing that. So let's go ahead and do this out of a different formation. Let's use this play as a template. I'm going to go right to formation is in number 3. Let's run this out of troll formation, which is a 3x1. And actually, this is going to make the formation, it's going to be troll left for us. So all I did was change the formation, and maybe we'll have just a different shift on here. So I'll go to my shifts, and we'll say, let's go ahead and go demo reset left. That's all I needed there. Right to finalize. I'm not going to add this to the wristband, and it's no longer going to be a staple play. Let's save the play. It's on the right hash. We've saved it. Let's go ahead and flip the play. Now it's on the left hash. Let's go to finalize, and let's save the play. Let's do that one more time. We'll use this as a template. And we'll change the formation one more time in this. So I'd have 3 counters in here. We'll do this out of pro formation here. We'll run that weak. It's going to be pro right. And just for, we'll go ahead and we'll demo reset left on there. So I've changed just 3 areas in here. We still have our jet motion. I'm actually going to take the jet motion off. So there'll be no jet motion on there at all. Go to finalize the play, save the play, and flip the play. We've now made 6 plays. Every time you flip it, you need to make sure you save that. I'm going to go to my manage plays, which we're going to spend a lot more time in the next video. And how do we manage our plays like this? Okay, we're going to go here to manage plays. In the next video, see how we get on here. So we're going to type in counter. And there's my 6 counters that I made in about 3 minutes. No typing. All the situations came in with them. They're all flipped. I can look at them. I should have 3 on the left hash, 3 on the right hash. And there's your play wizard. So 6 plays in 3 minutes. You can't type them in that fast. Did some window dressing. Bring those into your practice scripts. Always reach out to us at Coach Tactix if there's things that we can help you in any way. Looking forward to working with you on managed plays in the next video. Thank you.